Langdon Hall was built in 1898 and was bought by my father and stepmother in 1987.
Langdon Hall was looking to upgrade their HVAC systems. That's what brought us to the point of retrofitting with air source heat pumps. One of the challenges you have with a retrofit is you're not sure how the system can integrate not only with the building, but the architecture. The VRF unit is the least intrusive product for a retrofit solution. So it's a more efficient, updated design. So it supplies the heating and cooling that's required in each suite. And with that technology, we can let the tenants set their own temperatures and heat and cool as they desire.
Now you have one unit that does 3 rooms as opposed to 3 units for 3 rooms. So you only have 1 compressor running as opposed to 3. With the new style of compressor in the Panasonic unit, the noise and the vibration is considerably less compared to a standard AC condenser that would be on the roof. The installation of the VRF went really smooth with the space that was available. The units are very compact, so they fit into areas that are very tight.
The old units that we used to have, it was almost 40 individual units, so it would take one technician a day and a half to go through changing filters and making any required repairs.
The indoor units for the VRF system takes very low technical skill to actually keep it maintained, as the only requirement is to clean the filter on a regular basis. And that filter can be removed by any groundskeeper or any custodial staff, cleaned out and then replaced.
I think it was the best choice by functionality, by efficiency, and by the cost for the project.
We chose Panasonic as the manufacturer because they have a great product and they have great product support. Panasonic's technology is second to none.
Panasonic.